Hey y'all, I don't know if y'all can hear me over this fan, but it's Saturday and it's almost 4 o'clock and I'm waiting on my slow ass friend. She said she's gonna be ready at 3 and it's almost 4 o'clock and she's just now on her way. Just, ooh, she get on my nerves. But I'm on my second cup of my water. I think it actually is working, so I'm gonna keep up with it. I might even drink a third cup. This is one of my shirts I got from Rainbow. I'm doing a Rainbow haul. I think I already mentioned that earlier in the vlog. But yeah, my cute purse. It's so pretty, y'all. So I'm gonna wear this. I'm gonna show y'all like a little outfit of the day, but I'm still in like my pajama shorts because I be getting hot. Okay. I be getting hot when I get ready and she taking forever. How y'all like these shades? I don't really like them if I don't get no makeup on. But, I mean, they cute. Look at them. He's so cute. Came in this little bag. And these came from AnnaDollsVault.com. So, yeah, shop with her. Okay, y'all, so a quick little outfit of the day. I got this shirt, Rainbow, jean jacket from Rainbow. I got it around my waist because I ain't got no shape. And my leggings are see-through. These came from Pretty Little Thing. I got these and some biker shorts last winter, and I don't know why they so goddamn see-through. I don't know if their stuff is still like that or not, but it was super see-through. And of course I got the cute little purse from Rainbow as well. And then my shoes came from Rainbow. They just matched the purse, y'all, and it's so cute. But yeah, just really basic, simple. That's my style, really. Just cute, but like still basic and simple. Easy to throw on, you know. Yeah. Hey y'all, back. Today is Sunday now, and I'm just cooking up some ground turkey because I'm making tacos today. That's what I'm gonna eat for dinner. Today I didn't do well. I was gonna say I didn't do much. I edited and uploaded my video when I got off work this morning, so I haven't been asleep since I got off, but I was pretty much asleep the whole night at work because our building was closed, so we didn't have anything to do. So yeah, I edited and uploaded that vlog. I had a lot of footage, so some of the footage I was recording is just going to be at the beginning of this vlog, which you would have already seen by now. But yeah, I washed my wig, which I was supposed to do yesterday, but I didn't because I was out with my friend. But yeah, I washed my wig and conditioned it and blow dried it and stuff. But I'm gonna flat iron it later today or either tomorrow. It's 2:30 right now, and I do have to go to work, so. And I need to get a nap in because today we ain't closed. Yeah. This ain't my good hand, so I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. I got my ground beef stirred up. I mean, my ground turkey stirred up. If y'all don't know how to cook tacos, your brown, your whatever you're cooking, ground beef, ground turkey, whatever. And then you drain it. You put the water in the seasoning. Warm up your shells. If you're using soft taco shells, warm up your shells, and then you put your toppings of choice. I'm not eating cheese. I normally would just eat cheese and taco sauce. I don't do tomatoes, lettuce, all that. So my tacos gonna be real plain. It's just gonna be the meat and taco sauce. But yeah, I worked out today again. Finally, me and my sister was talking about working out and stuff like that, and just because she has acid reflux too. They told her she has silent reflux though. So we was just talking about that type of stuff earlier today, and so I was just like, I need to stay consistent with my workouts, which I've been needing to. I was doing this 30-day ab challenge But that shit had my stomach hurt, and she was like, "That's good. You weren't supposed to stop." And I was just like, "Look, between my stomach hurting, my chest hurting, and then trying to work out, and I felt like I was gonna die." So I was just like, I could not do that. But so I deleted that app. So I'm just doing like workout videos from YouTube that's just a little bit more easy going until I could build up into that point. So yeah, I'm proud of myself though. I worked out. So yeah. And once I get done cooking this, I'm gonna go get in the shower. Okay, and this is 1 pound of ground turkey, by the way. And you do 2/3 cups of water. You can't. 2/3. Put that in there. And then you got your seasoning. I'm putting a little bit at a time. And then I almost dropped my taco seasoning. Just stir it a little bit in first, and then I'm gonna add the rest. And then you're supposed to let it simmer for a few minutes. Okay, y'all, so my tacos is done. The clips before this might be a little janky because I guess I was too close. So it's like it flipped it. It's not gonna be sideways. So I don't even know if I'm gonna use that footage or not. Hopefully this footage doesn't do the same thing. So yeah, I probably ain't gonna use that footage though because I said some important stuff. But it's gonna look black on the sides. So irritating. Hi y'all, so I'm leaving Tropical Cafe right now. I went and went to the bank and paid my car note, and then I came here. And I never got their food before. I had their smoothie once, and I mean it wasn't nasty, but it just tastes like the shit I was making at home already. But I got something different this time. I haven't ate since I've been up, and it's 12. I got the chicken bacon flatbread. I didn't get no tomatoes on it. And I got an orange for a side. And then I got the triple berry oat smoothie, y'all. It has strawberries, blueberries, cranberry, multivitamin, ground flaxseed, whole grain oats, whey protein, and Splenda in it. But I was gonna eat at home, but I was making me a smoothie because I really wanted some fruit, like, because I haven't been to the bathroom in days, y'all, and that's just not normal. And my stomach been cramping like I'm on my period, and I'm not. That might be TMI, but yeah. So I was like, I was gonna make a smoothie at home, and I poured my flax seeds in there just to look at the bag and see they expire in May, and it's July 1st. So I just threw the whole thing away and got mad. But this sandwich smells really good. But I'm gonna wait till I get to the house to eat. So I'm finna go home. It's raining out here. It wasn't raining in my area, but it's raining out here, so I'm just gonna go home and then I eat. Okay, y'all, so my Amazon package came. What did I do with those scissors? It came yesterday. This is my tripod that I ordered because right now I'm literally using a selfie stick taped to a cereal box with some leg weights in it. That is literally my setup right now. Thumbnail. They always do this. It's so little. This thing is supposed to be able to extend to like almost 5 feet, you guys. So this is like really good. And you can flip it horizontally or vertically. So it's amazing. And you can use it as like a selfie stick. came in this nice case. Oh, I got another selfie remote. Okay, because I already got one that I ordered. It's pink, so I might give this one to my sister. Lord knows I don't like putting stuff together. Okay, so I figure I had to put this together later, or either I get my dad to do it if I can't figure it out. But I'm just gonna put this back up because I'm not about to use it right now anyway. So I'll probably be using it tomorrow. Well, I am gonna use it tomorrow once I do that rainbow haul. I know I keep saying I'm gonna do that, y'all, but I'm finna do it. It might be out before this video. I'm not sure. We'll have to see. But yeah, let me show y'all something. This right here, this is the best shampoo I ever used in my life. I'm talking about amazing, y'all. And it was like $5 and some change, like almost $6, y'all. I got it from Walmart, and baby, when I tell you, so much slip. When it says hot slip, that's exactly what it means. It's so moisturizing, y'all. If you ain't tried this shampoo from Shea Moisture, and because I've been struggling for a long time to find a good shampoo, so if you've been struggling, this is it for you, baby. This is it. Okay, so it's gonna be a little dark because I don't have my light on, just the lamp, but my noodles are in there cooking right now. I'm gonna make some noodles and a grilled cheese, but I just want to show y'all, this is the shit, y'all. This smells, first of all, amazing. It smells like their twist cream. I used that before and it's pretty good, but this smells so good, so good. And it left my hair feeling so soft, y'all. It had slip, it had moisture. Definitely recommend this leave-in conditioner. And oh yeah, I braided my hair, but I'm supposed to put this wig back on. Oh my god, y'all, the light. Let me turn this light on. I'm supposed to put this wig back on. Is my camera dirty? I don't know, y'all. Anyways, I was supposed to straighten this wig and put this wig back on, but I didn't feel like it, so I never did straighten it. So I'm just put my other wig back on, and tomorrow I'll straighten that one and put it on before I film my rainbow try-on haul. So yeah, but yeah, y'all, the reason that I'm not wearing the other wig because it's actually my wig for my birthday. The wig that I just had on the last vlog, and the one that I crimped the hair, that's my birthday wig. But I'm gonna be bleaching it or whatever and coloring it, so it's gonna look like it's gonna be a whole different wig. But I am gonna film that process, so y'all will see me basically transforming that wig. So yeah, my birthday is this month, July 24th. Okay, so yeah, the other wig is just, you know, my everyday wig, and that's my birthday wig. But I'm gonna wear it tonight because I gotta go to work. So yeah, I'll wear that one tonight and put the other one on tomorrow. Here is my grilled cheese and noodles. Update on my digestive system. I was able to poop today. I think it's the crystal that I ate though. I went to Crystal's today, and yes, it finally happened today. So yeah, but my stomach is still hurting though. Like it's still cramping. Like my time of the month is about to start, and it's like, no, it's not time for that. So I'm gonna take some medicine because I ain't got time to be going to work and my stomach still be hurting. Cause what time is it? I have to be at work at 10, and it's like it's 6:30 right now. After I eat, I'm trying to take a quick nap. But yeah, I keep pain medicine in the car anyway, the same kind. So if it start hurting while I'm at work, I might take some medicine, but I don't really too much care for medicine. So sometimes I take it, sometimes I won't. But it's literally been hurting for like this, like the second or third day my stomach has been hurting. So I'm gonna go ahead and take some today. But I'm finna eat, and y'all, I got this new YouTuber. She don't got that many subscribers, so I think she's kind of new, but she's so funny. Here go her name. Yeah, so I subscribe to her and I follow her on Instagram. She's just funny, y'all, and I feel like I kind of relate to her. And we used to some of the same music because I've been watching her videos. So yeah, I subscribed to her. Hey y'all, so I just wanted to come back. I never did take a damn nap. I think those noodles and that grilled cheese effed me up. I probably should have had more cheese. Okay, my alarm cut off and interrupted my video, but I probably should have had that cheese after I had already had crystals. And sorry if y'all can barely hear me, my fan is on, but it's hot. But I never did fall asleep. I was feeling terrible. Like, it was feeling like my chest was getting tight again and I could barely breathe, like barely get my air in. So, yeah, I texted my sister. And she came and she gave me some of her medicine that she got from the doctor. So I want to make me a doctor's appointment and try to get prescribed some medicine. Whatever little bullshit that was they gave me the first time I went to the doctor with, I think that was last year. It didn't work. But like when I took that, she gave me 2 pills. I only took one. They were 2 different pills, but I feel way better already without even taking the other one. So I'm gonna take the other one when I'm at work, like if I start feeling bad. So I'm gonna save it and I'm gonna take it at work if I start feeling bad. But I just asked her to like when she get a chance send me the picture, because when I make my doctor's appointment, I'm gonna show them like what type of medicine it is and ask them can they prescribe me the same shit, because I feel so much better. I was not able to go to sleep at all, you guys, at all. And so now I'm gonna be at work tired as hell because I think I woke up at like almost 11 o'clock this morning. So yeah, I'm not gonna be able to make it to 6 o'clock in the morning without falling asleep. So yeah, but I actually had to get up in a while to go ahead and start getting ready for work. But I'm just gonna end the vlog here, you guys, cause I mean I don't know how. I'm probably not gonna be vlogging much tomorrow or the day after, so I'm just gonna end it right here. So I'll catch y'all in my next video, which is gonna be the Rainbow Try-On haul. If I don't edit that video before this one, but this one will probably be up first. So anyways, I'll see y'all in my next video.